Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn off Cash App Security Lock. So first, if you have enabled your PIN or Touch ID or the Face ID, you just have to go to the profile icon on your Cash App application home screen, select the privacy and security, and just toggle off the security lock. So after that, just enter your PIN or Touch ID or your Face ID and it should be turned off. So you can also toggle it off online. So log into your Cash App application by this link. And then at the bottom or of the left toolbar, you just have to select account to open your settings. Now in the privacy and security section, you just have to toggle off the security lock and just enter your PIN, and that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.